Good morning, y'all. This is day 2, and it's 5:55, and I'm about to pull off so I can go drop baby girl off. This is my first time riding to where I need to take her at by myself. Yeah, I'm so used to my husband. Doing this. So let's hit the road, y'all. And I think this will be the end until I start back up later on today when I get off work. And I'll catch you guys. What's up, guys? And it's your girl, and I'm back with another video, y'all. So, y'all, I'm at home, and let me see. It's 7:47 right now, and I need to hurry up and start dinner. I'm washing out my pan, and I'm making some spaghetti with zucchini noodles. So this clip is gonna go along with tomorrow, for when I pick him up. So I just wanted to show you guys what we're having for dinner, and I have turkey meat. I might take this for lunch tomorrow instead, because I was going to eat this with a coworker, but it didn't work out. Timing and everything didn't work out. So get off this floor, baby, it's wet. So because timing and stuff didn't work out, I'm gonna just go ahead and make my food. I'm gonna just show y'all how I make everything. I'm gonna use butter as the basin oil. I'm gonna use butter. I just need to get my tripod, y'all. I have to finish washing out the pot. But y'all, let me tell you guys about how I'm feeling. This is night 2 with our dad. Look at my little stinker muffin. And y'all, so here is the living room that I finished. Don't mind her Chipotle from last night, but y'all will see that in the other vlog. But table is still a little messy, but it's okay. This is great enough for me as an accomplishment. My laundry area looked like a ramsham because I was trying to get all the clothes and stuff put up in there. So I guess it'll be all right until Tuesday, because that's when I can really focus and finish cleaning, because I didn't get to finish yesterday. A lot of interruptions. So yeah, I was fixing my tripod. So right now I'm just about to finish washing out this pan, start my turkey meat, show y'all how I do everything, how I season everything, and show y'all the finished product basically. I don't know what else to say. I guess this will cook with me. But how I'm feeling today, y'all, day 2. My day was blah. I don't know. I'm just trying to relax. I woke up with a migraine. Then work was bad. Y'all, I'm trying to say this without crying. Like, I just really miss my husband. Yeah, like, you guys, it's no sugarcoating it. I really miss my husband. And I know Journey misses her daddy. Because that's all she be asking about. And I think that's what's getting to me, because all she does is ask for her daddy. So I cannot wait till tomorrow. And tomorrow's my anniversary, y'all. Yeah, trying not to cry. I just want to hold my baby, okay? And I want someone to have dinner with me. No one's having dinner with me. It's just me and Journey. I don't like being alone in the house. Well, in the apartment. But y'all know what I meant. I don't like being alone in the house, so it is what it is, y'all. Let's get to cooking. So I brought you guys over here so you guys can see. And once I put everything on the stove, I will pick up my tripod, turn the camera around, all that good stuff. So I have my turkey breast here, well, my ground turkey meat, and I'm going to put that in my pan, and I have this size of a pan. So y'all, this is my keto version of chip. You don't got no more? So this is my keto version of spaghetti. So y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to add my seasonings. So I have paprika, give me that. No, give me the bag. I'm big bad mom because I took her chips, but she dropped them on the floor. I have seasoning salt, Journey, Mama, it's okay. Where's your cup? Go get your cup. I have Italian seasoning, and pepper. And I forgot to go get some juice, but if need be, I'm going to be drinking water today. So this is, well, I was going to do half turkey, half beef, but what made me do all turkey is because, like I said, I had guests coming over, but my guests didn't come over today, so it is what it is. Where your cup? Go get your cup. No chips. Say thank you. You're welcome. Close it. Close the refrigerator, babes. Close it. So while we're waiting for that to cook, like I said, so today was, while we're waiting for that to cook, so today was like, whew, y'all, today was a mess, y'all, an absolute mess. So tonight I'm gonna be editing vlogs. Well, just not vlogs, but this one in particular. I'm gonna try to finish putting it up before I finish filming this video for you guys. So I'm probably gonna go edit that while this turkey meat is cooking. It's like so weird how lean turkey is. I just hope all of the seasonings are in there. Y'all, I don't want it to be too salty, so I'm not going to use any more seasoned salt, but I use some more paprika, pepper, and some more Italian seasoning. It's so lean, y'all. I can't wait to taste it. I'm super excited. And so let me show you guys. I have fresh zucchini noodles, and it tells you how to make them stir fry. So after everything is done, so let me go edit this video and get it up for you guys. It probably won't be released until later on after I finish eating, but I'm gonna go ahead and upload it and all of that sort, and probably after I finish eating, that's when I make the finalizations on the video. But y'all, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you guys for joining the family, y'all. I'm super excited. We're growing, y'all. I'm super excited. That means y'all loving my content. I'm just loving you guys back. I want more content, like more content. Like, I'm about to start exercising, all that. So I'm trying to picture all the videos that needs to come out like ASAP. So I get back to you guys when when I start cooking the noodles, so I can show you guys how to cook the noodles. You're supposed to cook them until they get softened for 5 minutes. You cook them for 5 minutes. But I get back to you guys. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to do the noodles right quick before my daughter starts acting crazy. So you do medium to high heat. So medium to high, so that's about like 6, 7. Get off the stove, please. Stop it. This is how the meat came out. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's how it came out, y'all. And I just got that on low heat, like on a 3. And then, so I'm gonna use butter in my pan as my basing oil, and that's like 2 tablespoons. I don't even know if you guys saw all of that, but anyways, I put the butter in there, and then I sprinkled this in there. So this is gonna go for 5 minutes. I was just talking to the camera and I won't even recording y'all, but this is gonna go for 5 minutes. And I'm gonna do this until these noodles are soft. And if I need to add more butter, I am. And like I said, it's on medium to high heat. So, and the thing said it goes for 5 minutes. And these are zucchini noodles. So let me get my other thing runner. So I've been messing up when I was using margarine, y'all. So this is my keto version of, Journey, get out of that, please. My ketogenic version of spaghetti. It's like a low-fat meal. But guess what? Your girl is going to have some, I'm going to have some ice cream later on. So maybe I'm messing myself up. Get out the cabinet, baby. Maybe I'm messing myself up with the fattening stuff later on, but I feel like it should be alright. So I'm going to just keep stirring this up until they soften up. And I was just testing them to see was they soften. They were starting to soften up, I think. I don't know if I should have used my canola oil or not. And these had a lot of water in it, so. I'm going to try to pour the excess water off the other ones when I cook those. Like I said, this is my first time making these. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be delicious. And I'm going to season these up just a tad bit with some pepper. And a little bit of seasoning salt. And some Italian seasoning. And they're softening up pretty nicely. This is what it looks like when it's starting to get soft, and as you guys can see, it's easier for me to stir it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift these noodles up, drain this water off, and rinse my pan out. I'm going to lift them up like so. And place it. Y'all, so I ran out of storage, y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all now. I'm gonna just put it over in there like I did. But I put the noodles inside the meat, so. And these are almost finished. They're just about done. I'm about to turn that down because I just wanted it to stay warm. And since these are just about done, they only took 5 minutes and they're soft. And I'm going to just dump them in there like so. And then I'm going to stir it in there. I know it looks weird because everything is green, but I wanted to try it and see if I like the noodles. And I have me some Parmesan cheese that I'm gonna have with it, y'all. So that was the cook with me, y'all. So I have a lot of editing to do, and I need to get off here before I run out of storage again. I love you guys, and I know it was ghetto, chopped up, but I will let you guys know how it tastes in the next video. Bye.